A noun is a person, place, or thing. A girl is a noun. A park is a noun. A truck is a noun. And a bear is a noun. Silly Cody Bear. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Tap each noun. Bride, blouse, room. Good job! The word girl is a noun because a girl is a person. Tap the noun in the sentence. The girl likes to play. Girl. Good thinking. The word lake is a noun because a lake is a place. Tap the noun in the sentence. The lake is far. Lake. Good work! The word fish is a noun because a fish is a thing. Tap the noun in the sentence. Where is the fish? Fish. Great! Drag all of the nouns to the person. King. Nurse. Great job! Drag all of the nouns to the person. Nurse. Baby. Awesome!